Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have taken a break from the dragon hunting because I was getting my butt whooped. Like bad. Like really whooped. So now I'm here trying to figure out if there's anywhere I can go. I'm on the dragon's wing. That's the lady. Can I go this way? Possibly. Anything hanging out over here? I've already been over here? I haven't been over here. What's going on over here? Just eagles. That's it. Damn it. There is something down there, though. I might have already been down there. That might be where I was stuck with the fingers. Possibly. Or not. Okay. We're just exploring, guys. Just riding around looking at shit. Something going on with the colors? What the hell is this shit? Why is this Charo's hidden grave? Why does the coloring look so weird? Is that a mariner down there? Bro? Hello, turtles. Is that a mariner? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Hi, mariner. What you running from me for? Huh, buddy? I'm gonna get you. Oh my god, no. 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 Oh my god, dude, you son of a bitch, you set me up. You set me up. That dude kicked my ass. How dare he? Okay, let's try that shit again. You son of a bitch. Yeah. Grab my, runes. Now try not to get murdered by... Yep, he's behind me. He's behind me. Stop. Don't lock on. No! No! Damn it! What is up with this son of a bitch? No, don't lock on him. Stop locking on him. There we go. Nope, nope. No, I can't do that. Damn it. Did he go up there? Why did I crouch? Pain in the ass. Is he gonna call another one of those? Oh, there's skeletons. There we go. Kiss my ass, skeleton. Holy shit. Guys, I got my butt kicked. Severely. Oh, okay. Let's do some exploring. Great times. Just great times. Having so much fun. Hi. You look like you possibly do Matt. Yeah. No. What am I locked onto? Oh, I didn't kill you properly. Lots of fun. I'd have to have a weapon that has holy on it. Right? That's how that works. Oh, I didn't even see you there. My bad. You missed me. Now die. No, don't die. I didn't dodge. Oh my god, I... Son of a bitch. Come on. Like I said, good times. Only the best. Stay focused. Gotta get my runes from up here. From Crankysaurus. Gotcha. Didn't get you. No, I did that wrong. I'm gonna die again because I'm an idiot. Dude. No stun. Bro, I only have to hit you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let that be a lesson to me. Take every enemy serious. Because almost everything in this DLC can completely wreck you. Absolutely. Gravekeeper's brain pan. That sounds nasty. I want to get out of here. Wasn't there like a little... Yeah, right here. A little quick peek. Nothing. Look up here real quick. Probably also nothing. Just wildlife. What are you guys doing right here? I think I've been down there. Pretty sure. Yeah, I've been down there. Got some worms up here. Just worming it. The red ones. So that means they're cranky. Yeah. Cranky worms. What you guys doing over here? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Sorry. Oh no. Okay, we're good. God. I'm my own worst enemy. Just like leaping around, not paying attention. Okay. So is that all there is over here? No, there's something up there. Got a little spot over here. What is this shit? This is something, right? Absolutely. Birds. There we go. More birds. Right there. Can I get this dude from here? Boom, bird. One shot, one kill. That's how you do that shit. Is that it? Oh god. Oh no! No! A deathrite bird. I haven't fought one of you in a while. Nope. I remember I don't like you. Frostbite. There's another bird over here. Oh, there's more than one bird. Come on. No, dude, you're taking way too long. Okay, where's the birds? Birds. Mind your own business. I don't know why I crouched. Does this hurt the bird? Oh yeah, it does. It does. Owie. 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 Oh my god, I almost died. There we go. Take that, not enough to kill you. There we go. Thank you. Holy shit, that gave me a lot of juicy runes. Thank you very much. I will now go level up. Nope. Kiss my ass. Gotta go level up first. Love the Deathrite birds. They're just so much fun. Okay, that's right. We were on a intelligence kick. Cool. Getting smarter every day. Now all the birds are going to be back. Common sense would say I should fight them. Bro. Can't remember how many there were. Those are flowers. One right here. Thank you for that. Oh my god. Bitch! Are you serious? Well, I don't think I want to hang out there and fight every stupid bird, so I'm gonna grab my runes. Really? Go away. We got plants over here. And a big plant. I don't think the birds are going to follow me. We also have skeletons. Very serious skeletons. Very serious. What? Poison. Give me a second here. Nope. Damn it. Am I safe? There you are. Cool. Another skeleton. Sometimes my jump attacks don't do any attack. Dude, can you just... Okay, you're dead. I'm doing so bad at the... Really, bro? Go away. Another cookbook. You're all alone. Okay. Okay. Really? Okay, I got poison. Makes sense. Wrong, button. We're gonna check that out. Because why not? Three. It's right up there. I need to go look at a map. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Is it a boss? Nope. Just a regular enemy. Just a regular ass enemy. What is that? You trying to eat me, hungry hippo? You are trying to eat me. Bro. Okay, didn't dodge that right. Oh god. Holy shit. Oh my god, I got a skidoo tree fragment. Well, that's awesome. I need more of those. Any more hippos around here? Are they all in these circle spots? Like this? Is that what I need to be looking for? Circle spots? I'll have to look at a map. Like here? No, I've already been here. Okay. Nope, nope. Nope, nope. Nopey nope. Great, there's a golem thing. Person. Perfect. This is a great place to fight it. Yep. Yep. Perfect spot. Super happy about this shit. Super happy. Thank you for that, jackass. Are you doing the twirly thing again? Because you're a jackass? Doing it again? Good times. Is that the only move you know how to do? Bro? I don't feel like I'm doing anything. Yeah, he's just constantly spamming it. I don't want to sit here for an hour doing this shit. Just spamming one move. And I'm not stunning him at all. Yeah, I'm doing nothing to this dude. Bro. Finally? Nope. Back to it. I'm not doing anything to him. I don't know if it's my weapon or what's going on, but no thank you. No thank you, sir. I'm good. Of course. Why not? Is that all that's over here? Is just him? Being a pain in the ass? Harassing me with his fireballs? Destroying the landscape? Oh, I didn't jump that right. Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to fight you. I'm good. Have fun. I'm leaving this place now. I said good day, sir. I need to get somewhere where I'm safe. Not here. Oh, God. Oh, God. Where am I supposed to go? This way? Where does this go? I'm stuck. Got a cave. Oh, hell yeah. Haven't found this yet right now. Lamenter's Gel. Well, this sounds like a great place to be. So happy. I bet you this is locked. Yes, it is. I'm so smart. How did I know that? How did I figure that out, guys? Sorry. Is there gonna be those creepy jar things here? Oh my God. No touchy. Oh, we have the frozen maggots. So that's cool. And dude's running from something. Also cool. All right, well, I think this is a good place to end it here in the Lamenter's Jail. Beautiful place. So thank all of you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see all of you next time.